wonder if it's this. Kitty kitty.
Yep, he's trying to escape me.
That makes sense. That's what cats do. Why don't this scheduling PCB work? Oh. What happens if I put it in back upside down? I don't think it will work. What happens if I put this in here? If I put the old one back in? I want to try something. See, the old one doesn't work. Wait. What happens if I just... Imagine if that fixed it. I'd be so mad. Okay, good. It didn't.
Stop holding me, stop trying to escape. Why are you watching my makeup?
My cat licks my hair.
Ugh. Strange. This finger action.
She... Is it he or she?
It's a she.
She looks so mad.
She's purring actually.
What? Why does she look so grumpy?
I don't know.
My cat would be grumpy.
If you're licking me, I'm gonna lick you.
Yeah.
God, actually, that would be disgusting. Yeah. Man. Never try to escape my stuff.
Okay, this is kind of annoying. Why won't you just go in? Meow.
I'm so sorry, baby.
I'm gonna be... You know what would be super annoying? What if it was the main board that is doing this? And it's not the scheduling PCB? I would be so mad. What exactly is preventing this from going in? You're the only